Welcome to Ryan's Universe.
Welcome back to Ryan's Universe. Today we are doing a short, quick science experiment. Are you excited, dude?
Yeah.
This one, we're gonna try and make the rainbow. This is called the Skittles Rainbow Activity. This is super easy. You only need 3 simple supplies. Your Skittles, they're supposed to be regular Skittles, but we only have sour, so we're gonna see if it works. You'll need your plate and some warm water. At first, you take your Skittles and you grab your Skittles and organize them in a circle around the plate. So let's dump some Skittles out. Now let's see if we have enough to make a circle around the plate. Can you help me? You go that way, I'll go this way. And they say that the warm water works a little bit better than the cold water.
So which water are we doing?
I use the warm water, like it said in the directions. Okay, so we need a couple more Skittles to complete the circle. Let's see if that's enough.
Who knows?
Okay, so we're like 2 shy or something. 2 shy of completing our circle. Okay, now you can try different color patterns at each time, right, Rye? If you would like. You'll need multiple packs of Skittles, obviously. Number 2 is you have to gently pour the water in the center of it. Make sure that enough water goes in the circle, enough that you could see it a little bit past the Skittles, okay?
Okay.
So, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Gently. You know, grab it by here. Gently pour it in the middle. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Are we pouring all of it?
Yeah. That's good. Now, as you start to see here, let's add just a little bit more water. As you start to see this rainbow effect, which is pretty cool, you have to wait a little bit and watch the Skittle colors move towards the center of the plate. They have like these beautiful rainbow colored streaks. It's super awesome. This is right, Rod?
Yeah.
This is a super easy science experiment to do at home. All you need is a cheap bag of Skittles, some warm water.
But we got the sour kind.
Sour works too, as you can see. And your plate. I'm sure everyone has a plate.
Everyone should have plate.
And that's it. It's super quick and super easy.
So let's just, yeah. Oh, look at Mario.
I know, we did such a good job. You guys didn't see that vlog.
He's about to face Bowser.
Yeah, so back to this. The science behind it is, how can I explain this? The Skittles are coated with a sugar and food coloring. obviously how they get their color and their great taste. When you add the warm water to the Skittles, the sugar and the food coloring start to dissolve. So they start to come off of the Skittle. They have similar amounts of sugar and food coloring coated on the Skittle, so that's why they dissolve at similar speeds, and they kind of stay in their own lanes, as you can see, to make this cool rainbow like effect. Yes, so the sugar is just moving towards areas of water with lower sugar concentration.
As you see, they're turning white.
Yeah, the food coloring's coming off of it.
I think we need a little bit more water.
We can try to add a little bit. But that's gonna mess up the color.
Oh.
Yes. So, as you can see, we hope you guys have had a great time watching this little quick science experiment.
Ooh, look. I blew
And it moves.
on it.
Yeah. Yeah, if you guys want us to do some more science experiments, like the video, comment, subscribe to our channel. Yeah, we're gonna do some more.
Guys, we
Super
could do
cool.
one. We could do another vid on.
Yeah. Bloop! Oh! Kidding.
Kidding.
Alright, guys, we'll be back.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.